everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming for the week of December 17th to the 23rd in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. We are almost done this year. I'm just doing this spread using the kit called Mean One. It is a Grinch inspired kit, and I was very excited to use a very traditional Christmas colored kit because I didn't really have too many of those in my shop, so I was very excited to use this one. So I'm starting off with doing the bottom washi, and I'm using this beautiful Simply Gilded washi that came in my last subscription box, and it is an all gold foiled washi, and then the bows themselves are just white. I think it's stunning. I will probably be using this a ton. I love it so much. So I started with putting that down, and then I'm gonna go in and put the washi down that came in the rest of the kit. And I'm just going to do like I usually do, put a little bit of a white gap underneath the washi and then cut that down. So I'm just trying to catch up on a few spreads for the rest of 2018, and then I'll move on to 2019. I did put a poll in my Instagram asking if you guys wanted to see 2018, and it was a lot higher percentage than the people that said that they were just wanting to move on to 2019, so I thought I would go ahead and film these anyways. I don't think I'm going to film my 2 monthly spreads that I have left. I'm just going to do my monthly spreads off camera, just for myself, and then when I get to the 2019 planner, I will continue to do the monthly spreads again, filming for you guys. I just thought it would just be easier than trying to film 4 videos before I wanted to get my 2019 spread up, considering how this week is the first week of January. So now I'm going to go in and put all my full boxes down and my glitter headers. I went with 3 glitter headers this week, 3 colors, instead of my typical 4. So I'm just going to go in and do that now, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now we have all our full boxes down and our glitter headers. I also went and put the flags in the top corners, as well as the date covers that come in the kit, and I just used the date squares that come in my shop for the dates. Then I went and put in the bottom washi the Christmas countdown. These are from my shop as well, and I just put them between the Simply Gilded washi and the washi from the kit. Now moving on to the sidebar, underneath the quote box, I just put a piece of washi. I really liked that candy cane washi, and I've been having the hardest time trying to find a spot to be able to use it. So I thought the red went with the kit well, and it was very Christmassy, so I thought it went. Then I put a half box that I'm going to use to mark my highlight for the week, an odds and ends header, and a weekly bar to mark the Christmas advent calendar that I was doing with my kits, and then a dinners header and a sidebar sticker to mark my dinners for the week. So I'm just going to go in and fill this all out, and I'll be right back. So moving on to Monday, the first thing on Monday we had piano lessons for my daughter. So I'm just taking an appointment label and then music note icon to mark her piano lessons. Then I did some work this day, so I took a laptop and a work script sticker to mark that. I did have an eyebrow appointment this day as well, so I took another appointment label and I just used the clock icon to mark my eyebrows. I didn't really have anything else that I could find to mark it, so I just used the alarm clock. At the second half of the day, I took a quarter box from the kit and the balloons to mark that it was my brother-in-law's birthday. And then I ended up doing a ton of laundry this day, so I took the laundry icon from the kit and then the script word laundry that came on the cleaning sheet to mark the laundry. I always like those script words. I think they look so much better than my actual printing. Then I took the computer from the kit to mark that I ended up working on customs this day. On Tuesday, my kids had preschool, so I took one of the red preschool stickers to mark that. And then I worked on my budget, so I took a quarter box from the kit and I layered that with the Canadian bills from Busy Lizzie Plans. I think these are so cute and it's not very often that you can find Canadian money. So I wrote budget in the quarter box. Then I wanted to put down work, so I did a laptop and a work script sticker. And then to fill in that little space, I just used some of the Simply Gilded washi. This is just the 5mm bow washi. I'm starting to love this stuff. It's just so nice for all those little in-between sections that I always seem to have. Then my kids ended up writing out some cards for their teachers, some Christmas cards. So I took a piece of washi from the kit and I layered that with a send out cards sticker that came in the holiday bucket sheet. Then I ended up watching Home Alone with my kids and my husband this evening, so I took a movie marquee from the kit and then a Home Alone sticker that came on the holiday movie bucket list. Then to fill in that space, I took some of that gold Simply Gilded washi again, so I just moved up the cards sticker just to make a little bit more room. I love this washi, you guys. I will probably be using it a ton. I think it's hard to see on the camera how pretty it is, but in person it's gorgeous. Moving on to Wednesday, me and the kids wrapped presents for their teachers this day, so I took the present icon from the kit to mark that. And then I had to do a ton of shopping this day. I took a to buy header and then a 3-heart checklist from the add-on sheet to mark that I had to go to Walmart, Bulk Barn, and the dollar store. I was just trying to get all that little baking stuff I had to get. I had to get a ton of baking stuff, a little bit of Christmas shopping left, that kind of thing. And I ended up having to go home early. My kids were just not having it this day to go shopping, so I didn't get everything that I wanted, but I did get these 3 places done. So then just to fill in a little bit of a section there, I just took the shopping cart icon from the kit. Then this day I ended up doing a bunch of I'm going to work from the bottom up. So I ended up getting my nails done in the evening, so I took an appointment label and the nail polish sticker to mark that. And then I did a ton of baking. I had to bake cookies for my kids' Christmas parties, as well as I needed to use up some bananas, so I made some muffins. So I took this really cute girl from Kaelis Paperie. She's just holding up some icing bags and she's got a little Christmas tree on her shirt, very festive. So I just put her down to mark baking. And then to mark more work, I just took a laptop and work script sticker. Moving on to the second half of the week, my kids had preschool on Thursday, so I just took a green preschool sticker this time. And it was actually their concerts this day, and I was having the hardest time trying to think of something to mark their Christmas concerts. So I took a quarter box from the kit, and then I found this Kaelis Paperie little girl dressed up like Frosty the Snowman, and I thought that'd be so cute to mark it because my kids did end up singing songs about snowmen, so I used her. I think she looks so cute there. Then we ended up setting up decorations because it was my son's birthday this day, so I took a flag from the kit and then a little bow that came on the Black Friday weekend deal to mark setting up decorations. And then I think I'm working from the bottom up again. I took a half box to mark my son's birthday, and I just took a little Miso Co guy. He's jumping out of a cake. He's so cute, and I used that to mark his birthday. I was really trying to find a fire truck sticker because we ended up having a firefighter themed birthday party, and we actually had a fire truck come to our birthday party and give the kids rides. So that was super fun, but there is no fire truck sticker. So then I wanted to mark that I ended up baking cupcakes this day, so I took a quarter box, and then this big sticker is from one of my freebies that I had. I forget which one, but I had saved those, so I just took that. Those ended up being an epic fail. We ended up getting an ice cream cake. It was a horrible experience. So to fill in that little extra space, I took some more of that 5mm washi. On Friday, I had to do a bunch of cleanup after the party, so I took a flag from the kit as well as this cleaning bucket to mark cleaning up the basement. And then this day I ended up watching a lot of YouTube, so I took this Kaelis Paperie, more of the Christmas TV icons to mark YouTube. And then I took my phone icon from the kit to mark the Simply Gilded release. In the evening, we watched Lord of the Rings with our friends. This is the third Lord of the Rings, so I have now officially seen them all. They were really good. I definitely recommend them. And I just used a movie marquee to mark that. And then I took a puzzle icon to mark that I ended up doing some puzzling with Ashley after the movie. And then to fill in that space, I just took some more of the candy cane washi. For Saturday, I went for breakfast with my parents, so I took a quarter box from the kit along with a meal icon in the red colorway to mark going out for breakfast. Then after breakfast, my dad, my sister, and me went shopping for stocking stuffers. It's kind of a tradition of ours to always go and buy stuff for my mom. So I had this really cute girl from Kaelis Paperie, and she's holding all the shopping bags in the Christmas colors to mark stocking stuffer shopping. Then I did some puzzling that day, so I took a red puzzle icon to mark that. This day I ended up doing a bunch of baking. My mother-in-law and my sisters-in-law, we all bake usually together, but this day there was a big storm, so we didn't. But usually we get together and we bake a batch of cookies each, enough for every one of us. So there's 5 of us, and then we exchange them all. So we basically do all our Christmas baking together, and it's just, you don't have to bake all these different things. You just bake one thing, but 5 times. So this year I had to do it by myself just because of the storm. So I took a Bake Holiday Cookies sticker from my holiday bucket list. Then I watched A Christmas Carol, so I took another one of the Kaelis Paperie with the movie TV, or the Christmas TV, and I used the Christmas Carol sticker from the bucket list. I ended up ripping it when I replaced it so many times, but I think I did some sticker surgery and I got it looking good. I also wrapped all our presents this day, so I took a piece of washi from the kit, and the wrap presents sticker is from the holiday bucket list. On Sunday, I had a super lazy morning. I basically just stayed in bed and watched TV, so I took a piece of the skinny washi from the kit along with the lazy day sticker from the kit as well. Then I ended up filming a video, so I took a flag from the kit along with a laptop sticker to mark filming my video. We had a gathering this day, our first Christmas gathering, so I took a quarter box from the kit and I layered it with one of the elves from Kaelis Paperie, like the couple. I just thought it looked so cute there, and it just like showed people getting together, and I didn't know how else to mark it, so I thought it ended up looking really cute. Then I took a half box from the kit to mark that we went and drove around and looked at Christmas lights, and I had this really cute Christmas light sticker from Charlotte's Minis, as well as the car icon from the kit to mark that we went and looked at Christmas lights. Then the rest of the evening all I did was puzzle, so I took another puzzle icon to mark that. So now I'm just going to open up the spread and I'm going to fill out my highlight for the week, which was definitely lots of Christmas fun and activities. I'm going to go and put a bunch of the deco just around the spread a little bit there, just like I did in the half box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!